To start shipping on Depop, you need to set up your account and understand the shipping process. First, download the Depop app and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you have set up your account, start by taking high-quality photos of the items you want to sell and write detailed descriptions, including the condition, size, and material of the item. Next, set a competitive price for your item based on similar items sold on Depop. You can use the search function to find similar items and see what they are selling for. When a buyer purchases an item from you, you will receive a notification and you can start the shipping process. To ship an item, you will need to purchase a shipping label from a carrier such as USPS, UPS, or FedEx. You can purchase shipping labels directly through the Depop app or through the carrier's website. Make sure to package the item securely and include any relevant paperwork, such as a receipt or tracking information. Once you have packaged and shipped the item, update the order status in the Depop app to let the buyer know that the item has been shipped. You can also add tracking information so the buyer can track the package. It is also a good idea to communicate with the buyer and let them know if there are any issues with the shipment. To ensure a smooth shipping process, make sure to follow Depop's shipping guidelines and policies. This includes providing accurate tracking information, shipping items promptly, and communicating with buyers. You can also use Depop's built-in shipping labels and tracking features to make the process easier. By following these steps and best practices, you can start shipping on Depop and provide a positive experience for your buyers. Remember to always follow Depop's guidelines and policies, and to communicate clearly with your buyers to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.